Welcome to the Hobo MX Data Logger Setup Guide. In just a few simple steps, you'll be ready to start monitoring your environmental data with ease. In this video, you'll see an unboxing of an MX Logger, and you'll learn how to download Hobo Connect to use your MX Logger, how to configure your MX Logger to record data, and how to access the data your MX Logger has recorded. Let's take a look at what's inside the box. You'll find the MX Data Logger, required accessories for your MX Logger, and a QR code that links to the Getting Started with MX Data Loggers guide on our website. First, download the free Hobo Connect app to your phone, tablet, or Windows computer. Hobo Connect is available for Android devices from the Google Play Store, for iOS devices from the Apple App Store, and for Windows from our website. Be sure to enable Bluetooth in your mobile device or computer settings if prompted. Then, open Hobo Connect. Don't forget to insert the batteries if included with your logger. Once your logger is powered on and you've downloaded Hobo Connect, you're ready to configure and start your logger. The configuration process is when you select important options, such as when the logger starts and stops, and how often your logger records measurements. To begin, launch Hobo Connect. Hobo Connect opens on the Devices tab, which shows all MX loggers within range of your phone, tablet, or computer. Select your new logger. If you don't see your logger listed, press the button on your logger 1 or 2 times to wake it up. Not all loggers have this wake-up feature. If you own multiple Hobo loggers, use the search and filter options in Hobo Connect to help you locate your new logger. Select Configure and Start. The logger comes with preset default settings. Update them if necessary and select Start. Congratulations! Your logger is now collecting data. For more detailed information about Hobo Connect and MX Bluetooth data loggers, refer to the product manuals found in the Resources section on our website. Happy logging! Later, you'll want to access the data that your logger has recorded. To read out data, open Hobo Connect on your mobile device or Windows computer. Select the Devices tab, identify and select your logger, and select Download Data. When the download is complete, you can export and share the downloaded file. Just follow the prompts to complete this process. To see your data, click on the Data tab at the bottom of the screen and select the file you would like to graph. The file will automatically plot your data. We hope this short video has provided you with the basics of configuring your MX Logger and accessing your data with the Hobo Connect app.
Ingin tahu lebih lanjut? Atau ingin bertanya? Hubungi kami di sini.